Hello everyone, today we are going to unboxing Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. This phone first announced in 2022 but released in January 2023. This one is running in Android 12. You can see this one is ice blue version, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. Let's unbox this one. Let's see what's in the box. You can see this one is one typical SIM ejector, some brochures, warranty card, and one case. Here's the device. And we got 33-watt power brick. USB-C cable. This one is fast charging cable. And we got one earphone. This one is really very rare in these days with the smartphone. All the smartphones is to giving earphone, but this one is really nice to have one free. This one is with 3.5mm port, very nice and lightweight. That's all in the box. Let's put the other devices in the side and let's see how the device is. This one is AMOLED 120Hz display, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and you can see the chip is Snapdragon. It's a really nice color. 50 megapixel main camera, and another one ultra wide 8 megapixel, and wide is almost 50 megapixel, and we got another one camera. That one is 2 megapixel, the small one. This one is a macro camera, and dual LED flash. This phone is capable to take videos at 1080p. Sorry, 1080p. You can see this one is volume up and down, and here is fingerprint. Let's see how is the SIM tray. We can use one external micro SD or dual SIM. We can use together dual SIM and one external micro SD. That is really cool. Just to taste, yeah, you can see we have two more port to use dual SIM. And we got one front camera. Front camera is 13 megapixel. It's very tricky to put the cover, but it's well fitted and giving really good protection. Let's power this beast. MI logo. This one is weight like 188 gram and IP53, dust and splash resistant, not waterproof. And the chip is Qualcomm SM475 Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 6nm, and software version is MIUI 14. Let's go next, and we select English. Go next. We can see any random country. Just accept the terms and condition. It's looking for SIM card, but right now we don't have any SIM card, so we'll skip this part. And we have to connect any of the Wi-Fi. We also skip this part for now, and have to accept the Google services. And you can use lock options for only screen lock, fingerprint. We can also use screen lock in pattern, pin and password. Normal Android. We can also unlock or lock our phone with face, fingerprint, so it's very nice. And it's preparing the device. And go next. Accept cookies. We select classic launcher. Go to next. Battery is 5000 milliampere. That is really good. And with 33-watt brick, we can charge this beast 50% in 22 minutes. That is really cool. And the price is around 150 euros. And Gorilla Glass 3 protection is really good. It's taking some times. Okay, now I will try to make another video how is the camera, how good is the camera. I will try to show you guys. And thank you for watching. If you have any kind of questions, you feel free to ask. Bye bye.